Yo, Dan. How's it going? The chicks in the apartment opposite have a visitor. Hector from Argentina.
Oh, you are quick. Good.
He can't speak English. Man, he thought I was the butler.
I pull, you come. You are the butler.
The butler? And even worse, I think he fancies Bridget.
She gave me this.
The girls have gone out, so I will teach him to speak English. I'll teach Hector some English. See what I mean? Stay cool, N. P.S. Big decision. Today, I joined an acting agency. Brad Pitt is history. Okay. This is the oven.
This is the oven.
Annie's dog sleeps in the oven.
Annie's dog sleeps in the oven.
So you say, Annie, the dog is in the oven.
Annie, the dog is in the oven.
Great. Now Bridget. Oh dear.
Huh?
Well, Bridget likes strong men, especially strong legs.
I am strong.
Yeah? Can you cycle 50 kilometres? No way. Well, go on then, show me.
Yeah, look.
Adios, amigo.
Oh, Bridget, Annie, lunch, fish and chips.
Yes, lunch, Hector.
Look, Bridget, 50 kilometers. Oh, Annie, the dog is in the oven.
What?
Hi. Everything okay?
Great. Whew. I am, how do you say,
Dead.
Hot.
hot. Yeah, I am hot. I need a,
Shower.
yeah, I need a shower.
Be my guest.
Oh, thank you.
Right! That's it. He must go.
Why? He is so nice.
He used my bike. Yeah, and he said that the dog was in the oven. What a horrible joke. Where is Charlie? Charlie!
What a bad boy.
He must go. Can he stay with you, Nick?
Sorry, ladies.
Oh, please, Nick, you have a spare room.
No way, not my problem.
He must go now. But he's in the shower. I don't care. Hector, please come out. We want to talk to you.
I like fish and chips.
Hector, please come out. We want to talk to you.
Okay, one moment, please. I like fish and chips. Yes, you want me?